Hello, everyone. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a cohort and add cohort members in Moodle. Cohorts in Moodle are groups of users that can be enrolled in courses as a group. This feature is particularly useful for managing enrollments efficiently, such as enrolling an entire class or department into multiple courses at once. First, let's navigate to the Cohorts Management section. In the left-hand menu, click on Site Administration. Click on Users in the Site Administration menu. Then click on Cohorts. Click on the Add New Cohort button. Name. Enter a name for your cohort. Context. Choose the context in which the cohort will be available, e.g., system-wide or within a specific category. Cohort ID. Optionally, enter an ID number for the cohort. Description. Optionally, add a description to provide more information about the cohort. Once you've entered all the required information, click on Save Changes to create the cohort. Next, let's add members to the cohort. Find the cohort you just created in the list and click on the gear icon menu and select Assign. Use the search box to find the users you want to add to the cohort. Select the users from the search results and click on Add to include them in the cohort. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a cohort and add cohort members in Moodle. This feature can greatly simplify the process of managing and enrolling groups of users across multiple courses. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy teaching with Moodle.